Hi everyone! In this video I'm showing you how to make these cute earrings. This is Banner's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this tutorial I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. For making this flower we need 5 petals like this and 1 bead. For starters, we're twisting the yarn 10 times around the finger. Pushing the hook from under these loops and taking this yarn and pulling out, making 1 chain and we're making single crochet stitches all around this ring. And from time to time, we're tightening the stitches. And at the end, 1 slip stitch for closing up the ring. Pushing the hook through this ring, taking the yarn, putting it out, holding it like this, yarn over the hook, pushing through the ring, taking the yarn, putting it out, yarn over the hook, pushing through the ring, taking yarn, putting it out, and we're doing this 10 times. Now we're taking the yarn, putting it through all these loops, making 1 chain, one chain again, cutting the extra yarn, this is how we can hide the extra yarn. And we're done. So we need 5 of these petals. Now we need a thread and a needle, and we start to sew these petals together. And we finish up with simple stitches. For the last part, we sew a bead in the center of this flower. And this is how easy we created these cute earrings. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.